Yeah. You see, if you're first here, watch the channel, yeah, subscribe, right? Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? The movie is for you to enjoy. So please do enjoy it and leave a comment. Share with your family, tell your friends about it. We have some surprises and some things that come up shortly. Stay tuned. Enough respect. Burn it up. Loving, ragamuffin. Let's hear it. Look at now.
Long time.
You were the nearby, so that's so many. So you live like a ragamuffin. Make you know like a year too. Eh? What's up? I'm a virgin. Yo, I'm call her back.
My ear good, that's some money me want to go to my ear.
So, you can't swim?
No?
Right now, you know. If a jump off in a river down there, you know, me can't save you. So you're big and thick. I go take a rope and carry it.
Me can't save you neither.
More throw the rope gear or the hose. More you carry the hose, yeah. So I take off the hose, you know. Just in case. If you are John, you come so. And you hold me pull in here.
Put on your rope.
No,
the rope.
hose.
The hose. Put on the hose.
You see this here? If you go in the water, you can breathe it, you know. Just put it in your mouth and go and suck in here.
Put on the hose. We now walk. We don't look at we already. We can't walk with the hose. People feel like we are mad out in the community.
What is it?
My grass.
Take her up.
Oh, me take her up. Me not even know what she did.
No, take her up. Put her in. She a breathe. See that? She a breathe. Said we.
Oh my God.
She a breathe. Come, take her fast. Take her fast. Don't tap his here. Look, I got somebody who will. Come, take her up. Take her up. She a move.
Hello. Oh, little girl.
No, wait there. Come, wait. Come. Tell her to put her for your back.
No, she can't go on my back.
Me say
She cannot go on my back. We not even know what the girl.
Wait. Oh yeah. Look here. Get that.
You know the girl there?
Police.
Huh? You know the girl
Yeah,
there?
call the police. Somebody call
You know
the
she?
police.
You know she?
Yeah.
How old is she?
No, Nikki, sir. You know her? Yeah.
Nikki.
Your family?
She's still alive.
No, some rich people pick me. My God. Oh, she did it.
You don't know if I could kidnap him or what? Rough.
Oh, she did it.
What are you? Sorry to find
Up
out.
some water. For real. I'm no shot.
Good afternoon. Is this the police?
Yes, ma'am. 311 emergency.
Alright, so. What get help here?
Come in the water.
Calm down.
Yes, way.
What get help here?
Hop in that one.
Yeah, no relative, no number you can call.
Just a pay me.
Yeah, my mother and father number. Who you live with? Hello. Yeah. Nikki Jackson. I have her right now, yeah. Your mother and father. I don't know your voice son. Yeah, I have her though. We contact the police because she weak out and thing. Alright. I don't know, because you know, Jamaica system police, we don't come for no ambulance, we don't come for no. Is there somewhere we can bring her go? Yeah, I'm carry her to the hospital, I meet down there then. She talk a little bit, but she can't talk enough. Make her talk to her. Say something to your mother. Yeah, but she can't talk good enough, so we don't have to solve hospital right now. Alright? Baby. Oh yeah. No way, you go alright, man. You go alright.
Who's this? Hello? Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Who is this?
I don't worry about that. What's your name?
What do you mean don't worry about that?
I'm
But,
just asking.
huh?
I'm just asking, what's your name?
My name, but I don't know you. You cannot call my phone and ask me my name just like that.
Okay.
Who is
I know
this?
it's weird for that, but I'm so excited. I lost my granddaughter a few days ago, and a family finds her and take her in. So I was asking for your name just to know if you are the family who did it. Yeah, it's a Jackson's family.
Kid. Oh, yes, that's me, Mrs. D. My name is Mrs. D. I never know. But you can't call me like that. So what's the deal?
Sorry for that, but anyways,
Yeah.
to give the person who finds my granddaughter with $5 million, but since I heard that it was you and your husband, I'm just gonna give you 5, and then I'm gonna give your husband 5 million.
Are you sure about this? Are you sure about this?
After you find my granddaughter, she means everything to me. What do you mean?
Okay. So, are you ready for the account number? Are you ready for my account number? I'm gonna have to call my husband and let him give you the account number, his account number.
Okay, I'm ready whenever you're ready. Just, save this number and call me whenever you're up with the account number.
Alright. Thank you so much, Mrs. Jackson. And it's my pleasure.
Welcome, bye-bye.
Bye. Boom! Yeah! Oh God! This can't real. God no. I forgot to call my husband. Boom. Pick up. Jesus. Baby. You know say Mrs. Jackson just called me? Yes. And she said she'll give me 5 million each in our account. But just send her my account number. So you must send her yours and we get money. We're rich! Mom! We're rich! Buy the little girl. You know, you buy a little girl what we did find outside. Them did I give her money. Me they close by. Me I come. Alright.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Well, I know I think some of that money alright.
Never know so we have money neither. So hold on. Like how you have money now. Right?
Mm-hmm.
You never say when we have money, we are going to upgrade, we are going to leave this a place.
Alright. Yeah. But we don't have the money in our hand yet. Yes, the money is sure, I sign up my party now, you've got to back and sign up for your party, you know. You know what I mean? To collect the money. So the money go to account in about 5 to 6 days. We can't move till 5 to 6 days. So we're out there and just enjoy. So don't tell nobody so I get money, you know.
What me I tell people say me I gonna get money for? You know me feel glad. What's on me well did want married to a long time after you always tell me that. At the bank more want come go right now. You know? More go at the bank go sort out my side so everything alright. So in 5 to 6 days we can get with money.
Yeah, man. So that's a good idea. Go sign up for your part. You see, if your auntie here so you get money,
Yeah.
you don't get. May I tell you?
You have to tell me I know about she long time, but it's a good idea. Me not gonna tell nobody my business.
tell
if
nobody
that can't
business.
work out. Me not gonna tell nobody.
Okay, you know, me not like share, you know. Your money and a friend, you know. So, money wherever now, we must have it, lock off our one place and go live a good life. So, go get a house, and then we can't do anything more for to start business or them thing there.
Yeah.
You understand? Or we can have the money, bank it in a fixed deposit, and then work normal.
Exactly.
And know so we have the money there for when it's done. When with your retirement, we now we're born up to start growing the world and touring and something there. Yeah, so
And that sounds good.
so
man.
people see we live a certain life and I live normal, know so we have to put some money put down.
Exactly.
50 them days though when you go tour the whole world. You know what I mean?
They just have to feel like it just happened overnight.
Overnight, but we have a long time put down. So you can't work, man. So do ya though? Me have look farming today.
Yeah.
Yeah, me go up on the farm, go see what can go on. You see, so no worries, just do ya though.
So me I go come catch her. Me I go come see you back here today.
We're not sure all amount on a farm. Because some of the time the dirt is tough and like a little rainfall,
Yeah.
maybe it's soft, so it depends. But I don't have much to do down a farm though, so maybe I come back and see me.
Boy, I live for your farm though.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So me I go stay some booms and get myself together and go on the
Yeah, go on a bank and come back, man.
Alright, baby.
Later, you cook something nice.
Yeah. Me I hope.
Love you, love you.
So,
Here,
but, yeah.
you represent for Rasta, you know, see big old Rasta's color.
That is it.
Alright.
Nah, man.
Yeah, fix up though. A man you go up on the road.
Which man? Stop your fooling and
I'm
shit.
jealous of you, man. I have to fix up so much, you know. If you go to a bank, you go to the bank and come back, you know. But take a time in that place, don't rush, you know. Just go in there and say, you read through the fine print them. Because imagine I'll go through the fine print them with a teeth comb. You see, look at fine print them, I want you to read them. And when you don't read them, you read them again. Because imagine they will make a sign some things that you have I mean?
Yeah, babe.
So go through it and go through it. And when you come back, you call me. Right?
Yeah.
If I nothing, that means I can't tell you if you want up on the road. Because the road is so far. You know what I mean? So tell
No,
me,
what you mean?
when I come back, that means I can't say, if you get something from me out night town, or in a lane, out a lane out there, out of school. Alright, so, you look good though, take a time go on.
Thanks. I leave up just a girl. Get some means.
I don't want you to go out there. I make no man tell you no sweet story. I go tell you first, you look good girl. Me I tell you before you go there, make man tell you this.
Thanks, baby.
You look like a bunch of roses. You look beautiful.
You're a bunch of roses. Nobody can look for me.
They go and tell you things I'm going to tell you. You're fabulous.
Oh my God.
So me I try to tell you so well they don't tell you yet. So anything I tell you,
Yes.
you hear them already. So go on and come back and take no talk for nobody.
But me never used to.
Alright.
You should know your wife.
You take talk for me and so me have you. So me know why you got to tell talk for nobody. You did there with better time and you take talk for me and know you're there with me. So don't tell talk for nobody.
Alright. You always a China.
Wait, may I come follow you? No boy, I look fine up on the road, you see. Better yet, man, follow you halfway. Then you call for my picture, watch out.
Yeah.
The sun hot though.
Yeah, tell her.
Go walk. You when you talk to yourself, but them look good though.
Yeah, man.
They do a good job. But if you find that door, you know what say, a small me I talk last night at Negril, and I say, yo, you know say brown man are right somebody to talk to. Daddy, they might give you farm work down there, you know. It's like you can plant them sitting. If you
Yeah.
got a friend plant them sitting, find it nice, you know.
Where you say them, do?
Canada right now, they might give you something down there. You know the Negril Community Center,
Yeah.
round us so.
Right now, I'm good on there.
Yeah, man.
A good opportunity, you know.
People full up down there. Huh? This is a farm in the yard, yourself. You this a foreign. You're nice. Right now, you could have drive Chris cars and yard there, yo. Come and tell us, say. I don't know time, look much okra there, so. You understand? Picture them give one farm with them farm pan.
Yeah,
So some farm work program I give you right now, a Negril. You understand? So me I tell us right now, if you go down there right now, you have to get through. Because take 2 pictures of them when you go. Just take 2 pictures, that means you can show them. Wait, no, not take it, man. Be here and get yourself ready if you go, man. And then when you go, you just take, you want the picture of them fresh.
To you, I'm excited, right? I know more.
No, me I say, you know, want the picture still.
Alright.
You want, when you go, you can clip them and get the picture of them fresh. Go show them what you can do.
Right, more left from Jamaica,
So you-
Jamaica rough.
You have your woman here. And you see your woman big and thick. She must eat all of food. If
Yeah,
you
me,
go over
man.
the amount of barrel of food, you can send down for her.
Me I tell you that's something I have to plant.
So what you going to do? Go down there before the time late. If I like them, just be there, shoot up. Show them your hand, your hand is not. Let's put some dirt behind them and go and say you're a real farmer. A farmer, you want to go farm work. You understand? Go right now, if you go right now, what people don't live in there now? They might give you, you see me now, I can't farm, I don't go up on the farm work, you know. If you know about farming, I don't depend on already, I deal with the farm work and I make money. Right? So, do the best thing.
Alright, then Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Right,
Do it,
Rasta.
daddy, because I go walk.
Me I do it, man. I work for sure. Babes, what happened?
No, you know, just there. My phone is so on the phone. So where you go?
Babes, I know I said me as one farmer can give away. A nigga, someone good on the go say me can get one in farm there and go what's up. Right now I'm not with a beard right now. I don't know me I run go right now.
Now watch here. I saw you just run and go.
Me have to go call emergency.
Alright then, go on. Come when you reach.
Alright.
Where your phone is ring? Post them on a call them.
Pick up them, you know. When you in job.
I want to drop you now.
sir. Open the door. Oh, baby, yeah, come. Can a bomb man see?
We're stuck, you know. Yo, a while ago, me there a dream boy, you know. You know, you live long?
Dream about me? Me not say me go live long. I'm always gonna live long.
Yeah, man, so me there a dream. It's a bit of root up. There a dream boy, yo. So, I beat most of my one, I beat the Smith on the shirt. And then we don't stand up asleep.
Oh.
So, everything got you?
Yes, man. Everything good. Go through well good. Just hot, you know.
Alright, about something, man. I'm going to go and rest and then we'll go get afterwards. Yeah?
Okay.
I feel like God here walk. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, more on the pan to do something. Where you go though?
My dear, we do some clean up and take care of the whole stuff, you know. One minute.
Yeah, so we go up on the road, go look at this virgin. Right? So that is that. So remember, you know, I'm not sure what time I come back. Maybe come back late though. But you alright with that though?
Oh yeah, man. Very much.
Because I have some good things to run up on. What about people have to check about some business? Must I move for your
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So I try iron out all of the ends them first and make sure everything alright. So when you left fire, so we don't have to come back and say, you know what I mean? Tell you true, man.
That is true, baby.
Alright.
True, baby.
There's nobody. That's why I love you, you know.
I love you more.
You are so considerate.
Let's take it, sister.
I catch it and I put it in my pocket and I don't let no uncle steal it.
Make sure.
It go walk.
Yeah, idiots.
Whoa,
Big idiots, I feel.
Yo, T-Dog, chopping line, I'm a Mali. Don't ramp with me, call me a mad smaddy. Never left a clock, me ever have it. Me ring full of guard up, me under me science. Me goes it down my client, coloring book. Chopping line, I'm
Copy
a
that.
Mali.
You know, say, I like the song them, where I sing, sound good man.
Respect man, you always tell me, you know.
Yeah. But me I say, you know, say, pick them down a yard like his song too. Yeah, man, they like his song, man. And them ban, you know.
Bano,
You know, so them ban his song them do.
with song them.
Song them where them a take Mali and bus gunshot and so. Then song them me a talk about. You know what Mali do to people? Last time my sister take Mali, you know what happened to her? Hey.
What happened?
Every man in our community. You know?
Yeah, me I said that.
You see? Me have all one cousin down there, me no cut you, me have all one cousin down there. But how him a listen to gun song. You know what happened to your friend? Gunshot take him.
Yeah, me I say cut that right there, sir. And on my song, make people a fire shot and who a take Mali, you know. Them the something that go on before me even born. So here more you do for me. Take your time and sweep out the place. If you come to me with one more of them foolishness there, about Mali business, I ban you too. So here me I tell you, go and go sweep out the place here before me have to ban you too.
Alright then, boss. So you say?
Yo, Davidan, chopping line, I'm a hand, I'm a Mali. Don't worry about the time, I'm somebody.
B.
Yes, honey.
You say me I go on the road and come back.
Where you go for no go do?
Me I go leave my mother.
Your mother.
Yeah, mommy they come this morning say she want me help her do something and I know me not gone.
You said to me, so where you just had to me from morning.
Me never did go but me kinda feel like guilty.
Guilty.
I don't know mother you know. So
You
know
say you're fake and a guilty. That means you have to go do something on the road. That not sound right.
When me say guilty, me mean my mother call me and me no go. Hey, me no mother, you
see your mother, but me kind of worried because shut up, something the way. Anyway, get that out of the argument. You say you go link your mother, right? Make sure say your mother you go link her. You see me?
So how other day when I run guard nigga you go look work, I know you don't come in and sit down to me and me not ask nothing about it.
Because I always have a lot of things out of my brain.
Oh, when they run away, me never tap your ass. And my mother me go look at police, me tell her when I go.
Then, so woman now they stay on, so I'm going to look for their mother. And the mother they go look for.
So come in and
Be real.
Pop it on.
Oh, go on, China.
Where are you?
Come through now.
Yeah.
Dale,
Yes, boss.
open your garage to me generally, please.
Alright,
Why am I talk?
alright. What me there?
Come up and some father.
Where are you?
Bonnie don't play
Dog,
drum.
you know where it go. See it. So how dealing?
They are going all it now.
Like when I have a party here. You back there and something. When I party last night.
You know, it's enough night, most of the girl then come over and just play some rhythm or, you know, play some music and easy back. You can't pass through a night them.
Yeah man. Let us give the house a break for a minute because I'm down there and you look a bit kind of miserable so I'm going to feel up. Like I said, this one was surprised still.
They want to song me alright from morning, you know. So done here now still.
What is song about now?
Well, I want a Mali song and me I tell them say, yo, a choppy line and this, you know.
Daddy, me how you know say you know choppy line, you know? Sure, people them rich. So when you sing about choppy line, you make a money here. But you don't have to sing about choppy line. But anyway, how your music. But they may say them a band in here, you about it? Everybody a talk about it, but I know say that don't really affect music really because at the end of the day, nobody really listen to radio again. Everybody listen to the phone and YouTube and something so. It's not going to really affect you. Really.
No, affect me.
So, but when I say differently though, it is what it is though. But we think that the country should have look into banning poverty and sufferation in the ghetto.
True.
You understand? Them to them to ban. Go ban sufferation. Go ban low pay. You know what I mean? Them things they fi ban, but anyway, you know, upper class and go and them do something. Them not do nothing for the people, them really. Because it's more than music really. The anger of the youth, the man of people right now drive bigger than music. You know what I mean? It's because of leadership and how the place is running. No leader. You know what I mean? Check a house with partner no father and no good structure with model night. That house will be terrorizing, have a lot of terror and fighting and killing each other. If they don't have no strong person to lead them. You know what I mean? So it take what it take and go do what you do. Anyway, pass through now. A couple link me go make a while ago and I go back in and I say, I'll give a check said we car. You know where you go? You're artist.
But they said ban thing the way I talk. Remember saying they did ban, then song there already, you know.
Yeah.
An artist still a do it, so why sense then come up with it now?
Well,
Not really make no sense.
you have a lot of people in the island that want to feel like they are doing something to give themselves a pat on the shoulder, and in the longer days they're going to give themselves an award for say they do this and do that when they don't do shit. We the people is what do everything in this country. Poor people is what drive the country. Make the poor people say them nah do no work tomorrow morning, no. Make everybody say, yo, we nah do nothing because we're poor. And see why the country come to a halt. Taxi man tap drive out. The mother seminar, some people go to school. The whole country come to a halt because poor people is what run this country. Really? You understand? But true, they don't know the value of themselves. Make the devaluation continues. because it was written in the book from slavery days, so we shall be slave forever. But your people them come out a long time, you know, because you can't live big without it. If you have to work and you still maintain the thing with local music said way. You don't have to do music, daddy. You don't know, you done set already. You know what I mean? But it is what it is though. Like me, a piece of money will come through for me to, you know, daddy. Big piece of money. Some more live good too. You understand me? I say so freedom is a must.
Rich, you know.
So I hope when I have my money I can help with a good business, help the youth them. When I calm down and get everything come here, I have money for a minute. No. So I have money there. I have idea if you lock it off once and company them out do it because the money will blow up. If it just comes and start flossy. So I want to put it down in one place. I mean, I'm going to get the money, so I want to put here if you're in an account and take from me in my account still. If you have her own, if you have my own. You know where you go?
Yeah, man, I know where you go, man.
Anyway, pass me a pass through. But continue doing music. What are the music you put on now?
Alright. I'm singing now. Yo, T-Dog. I choppy line. And Danny Mally. Don't ramp with me and mad somebody. I choppy line. My ring fully geared up. Under my science. Client goes down.
Yeah, man, I say you just start. You just started.
Yeah, man. Just
Go and work for me. Do what you have to do. But some of the time, sing some good song too.
yeah,
Because
them in a pipeline, man. You know?
when you calculate it really, music is entertainment, still it's a message, so it's kind of different. Like how them look on the artist still. Are you the artist kind of music, or you just kind of entertainment? You're entertainment, man.
Yeah, man.
Just entertainment. Fun and so it's not too serious. Then if you take it serious and literal, it's like movie. You don't practice everything you see in the movie. Real life or real life. Just like song, real life or real life. But anyway, go on the other.
I'm a channel. Big up.
Yeah.
They'll let you out there.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's up? You don't believe you have a word with you? You know, say, I caught your wife with my husband.
What you say?
Yeah.
My wife
Yes.
with your husband.
With my husband. I'm not like that. You know, I cut up to my heart or my feelings. Me have to sit down and I suck it like a G. But you know what we are going to do? Two can play the game now.
Yeah.
Yes, me. I may have proof, me catch them in there, everything.
Can't believe it.
So me want to bun back my husband, I want to spite him. We have got that.
So, you want me, yeah. So right now.
Right now.
Okay, come on, let me know. Make it,
Out
oh wait, around here, it happened. I wish,
I don't know what happened.
you go. I'm growing here, so.
I'm outside and on them come 6, I'm out of bed. Yes, sir.
I'm not sure, say man, not come here.
Relax. You
Can't jump through those windows, grill.
You come and see.
You go.
What going on, so? Get up. And this is a real day up here, though. After me tell some man me gonna look for.
That's right.
Bunny dog, how are you going in so?
What you mean wagwan and then wagwan? Now you and she me did catch together. What day?
Which day?
You have no proof to that?
Yesterday.
You have
Say to
proof
me.
to that?
Of course me have
Where
proof.
proof then?
And when me go out there, so go say to the neighbor, them say, "Hi, Miss Johnson." You better get out of here with this stupidness.
You first, Latino.
Me first now when I know what to say.
You first,
Eh?
Latino.
Me first start.
Yeah. So bun for bun.
Exactly. You should have expect better.
So you really, yo, man, that question, you really come back and feel me a work out and you know, say to me?
Of course, they said exact day when I come in here come see you. You feel like someone never see everything? When you tell me say you the dream, say me you have sex. I know it wasn't a dream, but I never said anything because I have my plans. I have my plans.
Well, if you show me first, I apologize.
You better.
But still, woman bun hotter than man bun. You don't know how it hurt me. Do. But alright.
You know how it hurt me?
Alright. So, we talk about it. We talk about it.
Me don't have anything to say. I'm just feel good. 100% good.
Hello, good morning, Miss Susie.
Hello?
Yes, good morning. Yeah, man. I'm calling about, you know, me and my husband is making, me and my boyfriend are making an arrangement for come down there for some business.
Oh, I know that I was just about to leave out, but I'm available at home now. If you could come over now, I'll have the time now.
All right, man, that's good. All right, we'll see you soon.
Okay. All right. And I've recognized who the person is because I've seen your caller ID. Okay, I'm available now. I can push back my schedule a little to have the time to speak with you. Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Hey. You say we need to reason about something.
What is about now?
We need to get married.
Yeah, I say money will come to you and you know, everything. I apologize to you already. I don't know what I'm going to say to you. But I'm sorry about the cheating. I'm really upset to you cheat too. So, that of my mind still. Can't sleep with our next man. How would that make me feel as a man? If you say we go married, you know, kind of rough.
But look at you should have feel no way.
I never feel that way because I'm a man.
You are the king of the starting of the cheating.
No, but still, woman born after that man born.
It can't at me and you day together in the space of time when you are cheat. Prophet did tell me say you want to leave or you want some space.
No, leave. We're not leaving, you know. And so we say, we want to talk about different, we don't find that.
Alright. Me go promise you some not go cheat. Can you promise me that? They said,
Yeah, I can promise you, I will never cheat again.
put your money where your mouth there.
Like
Otherwise, nobody chat.
what you mean by put money on my
Alright, let's come to an agreement wherein if you cheat, you get all of the money. If me cheat, me get all of the money.
You want to lose all your money?
Me not gonna lose my money.
Okay.
Remember, I'm not a cheater.
You cheat though, you cheat too.
Because of you. That was a playback.
Alright. We think I want a good idea then. So, I get every money in your account.
Good,
And if I cheat, you get all of my money in my account.
basically.
I not lose though. Because I mean, name never cheat again.
Let's see.
Alright, so.
So you're down for the agreement?
Yeah, we'll go to about it. We want to sign on paper, yes, sir?
No, we are. Alright, I talked to a lawyer,
Oh,
which
yeah.
you never know.
Oh, bad. I want to set up this.
I had everything planned already. So I called the lawyer. We're supposed to see her and we're gonna sign some paper and stuff. And then everything.
One thing I said to you, you're going to lose your money. Because me name never cheat again. That was in the past. No cheating. Yeah, I'm saying I'm not cheat again. So, if you want the deal, I'm ready. All of my money, you go get. If me cheat, me get all of your money if you cheat.
Exactly.
Alright. We go do it then.
Let's go.
I'm energetic, you know, because you lock shop for what day, you know.
Well, that can be now or tomorrow. Depends on you.
Well, then I know, I feel well rested, smartly, because you lock shop for what day, so I'm full of energy. So let's go.
Let's go.
your mommy?
You know say she fine, she good man. Fine.
You say get big.
Yeah man, me nah say yes man.
Yes. Anyways, that's not the reason why we're here. You can explain to me why.
Tell her.
Want me talk?
Yeah man.
No, me I man. I me talk, right? So me tell you the whole thing. Alright. What go on now is me and my girlfriend, wife to be. Some relationship thing, me cheat, she cheat. So what go on now? Simple. ABC. She want bet me say I go cheat first. And I plan and pledge to be Mr. Loyalty. I don't think I'm going to cheat no time soon. The kids around there? Are the workman?
Yeah, I have a workman around there.
Oh. What may I say though? When I said, I set you up. I set up. What about I set up this year? You set up. I said, I'm a good liar.
Yeah man, my mother and my father work with her ever since. She's a
But close your device, I talk.
Very
I'm kind of skeptic, you know. Because I look a portion of money I come through. I'm skeptic when money I come through. But you know, she gets fair money. Me have my money. So I want to do an agreement with her. Say, anybody cheat, get the whole of each of the money. So if me cheat, she get the whole of my money. If she cheat, I get all her money. Long as I can prove and have evidence that she cheat, I can present it to you.
And you guys are sure that you're willing to put your entire account on the line?
Yes, because right now,
So how much money you guys are talking?
we have millions of dollars.
So is it the entire bank account saving?
Yeah, she have her own account, and my own account. We're going to sign it off. We want to sign it off on something to say anybody cheat, the next one get all of their money.
Exactly.
'Cause we're running some money, the long story, but something go down and we inherit a huge lump sum. And still having all of that money, still not make you really happy. So some of the time we make you'll be tempted to go cheat because you have money and you have this. So with this now, this will kind of keep us in the straight and narrow for our relationship to work. I've been with this girl from school days.
Okay.
I used to take all of my lunch money and give to her. So you know, so the love is there from that time and I'm still in love with her. I've been with her from she was black. And now she's always brown. So you know, it's a long time. Me and her there. And now she is grown.
Okay, by the look on her face, she doesn't like that you're saying.
And she went slim. And now she fat.
I don't.
Okay, so you guys are just here right now to put a deal together.
What you want the agreement to write up in a law.
Okay. Actually have some documents, already some agreement documents upstairs in which I can go and get right now for you guys to sign up if you're sure about it. And you guys are positive, right? Printed out already for those types.
All right, so get it now. Then I go and talk.
Yeah man, because he might lose all of his money.
You want back out now?
Me not back out.
Well,
She go do the
I go think what I'll do with your money when I get it. You know?
What
money
you gonna do
on top
with
of
my money?
When you get it, can you go cheat?
You sure about that?
You love clear skin man, you know. I true mean to you want liar to make you still hear me because for a long time. You see I try get brown? I should say you have a lovely woman here, you know.
Oh, thank you.
And she's sexy too.
Yo, you know she want me?
Me see.
The woman I look for me, try, yeah, she come from
me
top
not
of,
see her.
like she want me and my food. I lose she want me losing money, I say, you know. I just sign an agreement, me lose it. You must be mad. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Oh, that's everything right?
This is for you. And this is for you. And this is for you. This is the agreement between the two. And this one is to go down to the courthouse.
So this has the bank information.
The agreement for the two of you, the one for the courthouse. Okay?
Oh, it's the same.
Alright, so.
Sign up yours first. So you have some money to do in the pipeline.
So you really believe that he would cheat on you?
Definitely.
Okay.
I'm gonna be back here for my money.
Okay.
So we keep the next one?
Yeah, because I have to file it down at the courthouse.
Alright, so.
You're finished?
So how many do this one?
You keep that. That's your copy. Okay.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, so that is it, right? Alright, so
Yes, you guys have just signed off your bank accounts
Hey!
for cheating. Okay.
so how much money do we owe you now? You talk about money?
Yeah, man, up here.
Wait, why you want to?
Yes,
Actually, why you
Remember
want
we did
to?
everything. He never know that I called you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so
Planning.
it was nice meeting you.
It's lovely meeting you too, and I hope
Look at
none
my
of you
hand.
guys cheat.
So what I'm doing? Come on.
I didn't even want to touch you.
No, you're not for touching.
Tell mommy hi for me, okay? Alright.
We just like how we can married and you're not wearing them and now we're marrying the same way. But that don't mean say we're a cheater or nothing.
No.
A whole heap of girl look me I road you know. And I alone me have the iPhone, you know. You know what I mean?
Better make sure, guys, that you
So
alone
what you-
have iPhone.
That you say.
No, honestly. Why you would think that?
Look on a girl there.
So what you talk about?
No, man, no, not sure. No, girl like them. Yeah, man, you see it. Yeah, so before you cool off, right?
Yeah.
See if we could, you know for that, I'm not go through this. So. What am I going to do? I'm going to check Tony also and see if I can organize a piece of food. You know what I mean? This differently. So you can go up on the market right now. Because I have a piece of food from when? I'm going to get you right now. So just, you change or you go same way?
I'm going to go same way. Nah, first, I don't want to share with nobody.
Alright, so what do? I go make a one run, so I soon come back. You know what I mean? I come run for you and come back here. Alright though.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
I make a few money right now, yeah? So,
Alright.
soon come back.
That man is just strict overall, you know. And with girls and stuff, I always sign for a prenup. So anyone first cheats, somebody has to pay for it. If me catch him a cheat, a whole heap of money me can get.
So did you catch him cheating?
Well, no, that's why you are here.
Okay.
She's not there, but yeah, look. We can't say she's in that now, she's there.
You may walk like soldier, come in here.
Where's that man? Come, go with this stuff. You people can watch him in that place, yeah?
think they're smarter than me.
Hello?
Yes, yes. You know that I went around there and I saw a woman going over by his house and I took her picture.
What?
I saw the woman going over by his house.
You saw a woman they go over my husband's house?
Is it the both of your house or his house alone?
Is this a joke?
I am telling you that I saw a woman going over there and I even took the woman picture.
Alright.
But make sure that you have the rest of my money to give to me.
Yes, man, I have everything for you, Miss Lasagna. I'm coming around. I'm close by. I'm coming right now.
Okay, alright, no problem.
Alright.
Alright, safe travel here.
Yeah, man.
Car. Number ready now, what? What is that? What is that? You see I look for wanted man and then me see I hide and take picture. Right now my brother police, you know. So what time with division and which branch you work for? Get him say I look for wanted man.
Hold on. Alright, Mr. D. May we get honest truth. Tell you the situation why I'm here right now. Your wife hire me because of you and her problem. I am a private investigator. This is what I do. You understand?
Yes, so tell me when I pay you. Because I want to save me a cheat, because I know some of them have agreements. So that he might try to catch me a cheat if you can't take money. So that's what she work again. Alright then, and much she pay you, tell me. I can pay you more. You call her already?
Alright, listen me. I charge her 200,000. She give me a down payment of 100. So the balance is 100,000.
So you call her already?
Yes, I just did.
Alright, no worry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 300,000. Because you and I have 200,000 deal. I'm going to give you 200,000, 300,000, and you just dash her with evidence and tell her what me want you to tell her say. Me want you to tell her say, me are the best man in the world. Me have a cousin, since I want my cousin when they check
No,
out the
but
party.
you can't. It's like you want to run my job. And so you go. You cannot do it like that. No work like that. You have to listen to me and ask me how much I want from you. You have to give me triple time what your wife gives to me and then I throw away that. Else I can't go by what you said to me. No, it doesn't work like that.
You look like you drink mad puss piss, you know. Yes, you do a job. But I go tell you how much. You said 200,000 you charge she for watch me. So me I tell her say we have to come to some agreement before she wait, so she on the way I come. Yo, come on, come talk with you. Come answer so about. Know yourself, man. Yo, me and us putting on vibes, you know. See how she set me up, but everything good. Everything good. Two can play the game. Here now. Me and us putting on no problem. Right? She give you money already, she hire you. And so me I hire you too. So she can't fire you. So here we go on now. We go ensure say you get extra money. So if she give 200,000, just step on the kids and go like you work. You work. You understand? Me give you something, me give anything you want for them, just give you some, and you tell her where me want she to hear. You know what I mean? So we'll make you eat her food, everything go good. No worry yourself. You understand? So call her and tell her, say, boy, when I check up the whole thing, I'm a cousin when calling me. Me know if I tell her which one my cousin calling me. You understand? So that's, we can work together, man. So I'm going to do, I'm going to call her my cousin and tell her I'm actually going to link me so I know if it just tell us I want my cousin. Let's get it out. Just tell me number.
Mr. D, I don't play with my money, you know. Money make the man run and find your money more than your wife.
Yeah, man.
Mean that deal.
Yeah, man. So tell me number.
Okay, I will give you a call.
Yeah, man. That use it fine.
Oh, alright then. Okay, cool.
Alright, so.
I'm going to give you a call.
Alright.
Alright.
Call her on the way and tell her, say, cousin when come. Mom, my cousin come over and she come see my cousin here. Yeah?
No problem, no problem.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Hello?
Yes, Miss Lasagna speaking. Miss D? You know it's a wrong information you have in your head about your husband?
What you say?
Yes. The information that you have in your head about your husband, it is not correct. The woman that I saw over by you and your husband's house, he's your husband's cousin.
Oh, Mary.
Yes.
Oh, cause I run, they come run out of break right now, you know, they blow down and come.
That means you know the same person that I'm talking about? Wrong information, take it out of your head, man, and stop thinking negative about your husband. Your husband is one of the best men you have in your life. He's a good man, and you need to treat that man with respect, love, and honor. Because maybe you don't get another man like him. I wish I did have a man like him. Anyway, I am going to leave right now. I'm going home.
Alright, no say none. Yeah.
Come back here.
Yeah.
Get everything.
See everything there.
Come there all day. I wonder, you know? It takes so long to come back.
Yeah, man. So what did I do when I'm gone?
I'm a cousin come check me today, man.
Which one is your cousin?
You know, Mary, you know how she used to come already? Every time she has something to do, she come check me, you know.
Oh. So what Maria say, you know?
No, man, some weed didn't get from somebody to pick. But through the somebody rating, they just give me weed and then come pick it. You know, smell the weed in that place.
You smell the weed from me come?
Yeah, man.
That's why me ask you.
Yeah, man, so tired out. Because I say I want to start you out tonight, you know, and look like shop go lock.
What do you mean chap go there?
No, I just feel I'm tired.
Hey, you always come with this, you know? You
Yeah,
know how
man.
much months now I'm not getting a D? That not Nina tonight. I want it tonight.
Don't bother that, man.
Yeah, bother with it.
I'm tired of you, you know. Go cook some
Not
food.
tired now.
I'll cook some food.
And then
Yeah,
after that.
I'm going to try. I'll try it here. I'll cook some food. I'm hungry for you, you know.
I don't want
I
you
just
to
be a
try.
what me out.
But yeah, my husband is supposed to please me.
Hello. Talk so loud. Post me when I get some food. Go and go cook some food. After you cook food, we massage your foot them and wash them for you.
No, I be man.
You want day, you wait till night day. No one night. Come on, man, we never sign up if we work straight through, you know. You know, say every time I come with them look manage, you know some love, right? You know, I'm married for a reason, right?
But you not give me no D.
Me like you doing a day and say night come. Me the plan to get today, you know. But you can market. You say if you not market, you get the whole day.
What? What you say to me?
Me say if you never got market today, don't you want the food and things still. If you not got market today, actually my cousin come walk me out today. Me I say if you never got market today, today me say me rise up, you know. And then you know there, you know. If you ain't there today, you don't know what you miss. But you gone bad already. Gone bad. Just buy some food now. Maybe something go on later. Me just have a feed, so you go that turn up. You see for the day, me work better in the day. Remember so I meet me in the day, me you know. Me work better in the day. When it come to night, me just want to sleep.
So what more ask you?
What kind of work can your cousin do so that she walk out that CD can turn up to please me?
You don't know. She has some weed to pick. I end picking weed, they're picking the weed, picking weed. By picking weed, you got them? They're picking
No,
weed.
alright, it's okay. It's okay, you don't have to say anything.
Look about some food. Yeah, babe, love you, yeah? Mwah. Love you, baby. Love you. Hello. You say anytime I want one favor to call you. No. Want to something go down today, see? Why can't yeah. You know, say, I have a deal already, one agreement. If she catch me a cheat, a problem. So one girl in there today, ask if she no employ private investigator. Happy in picture win that's the girl that take woman that take picture on one back or something, one big woman that take picture. So me have to buy out the case and give her one extra money. Buy the whole thing for her. But you know, me tell her say I'm a cousin when there today. So you have to come up and marry, come up right now. More give her money. I don't say you love money. More give her money. Anything myself say, you just say it and it's done. Alright? Alright, call me right now.
I'm in.
So man, open the door, man.
Oh!
Yeah, knock a door, so man. You know, so I feel you. Yo, come on. Yo, you know what I'm going today? Cause the same girl this me as a part, a stop girl that me has some tissue me like.
Yeah, man.
She come check me today. Be a work. If I want it, me not work out, you know. But me I tell you, the way the machine strong, me not got time for my wife.
Oh,
Cause she kinda young, she want it every day. You know what I mean? So me tell her now, the private investigator now come in today. And me have to buy out the case. So you know me use as alibi. Cause me buy the case for her, so she go tell wifey anything when me say to tell her. Cause she I am first, you know. So me just turn it back over. So what me do now, I switch the case round and so I tell her, you come and work me out today. When I tell her, so cause she go want service, and when a woman they want service at all night, this everybody strong. I know myself strong woman for. Problem, cause she want it all night. Come on, you're too weak. I can't imagine something that too much. You know what I mean? So that good. So does that more pick up from me. When I tell her, something weed, you carry back like somebody want to pick much pound of weed. I just get it from them and carry come here, just pick off you make a money. Just help me help you out still, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
man.
so you can go and say thank you for your help, but that way you have to bring it to like go to the thanks and where. More give her money.
yeah, man.
More give her money. So she soon come. See wifey are coming. Wifey, see the cousin here come back and tell me thanks.
Oh, you never tell me say, Marie, they come. Say, Marie, you are going?
That's that thing, you good?
Yeah. Yeah, always I walk out my husband every minute he say tired.
I know business are business already, man.
What kind of business?
Yeah, me deal with some weed. And I even come back and link him pan to say,
I'm tired, man. I feel it down.
weed.
Ask her, whole day what me I work today. Tell her to marry.
Yeah, tell her whole day walk.
Whole
Weed,
What kind
type
of work
weed,
do they work so
harder.
all day? You and my husband.
I want a pound of weed, about more than 10 pound of weed.
You know a family, you know?
A weed? Are you listening what I was saying a while ago?
No, man, me not like how you and your cousin they live so close. Not even me and I do so much work for.
What am I talking about?
And me and your wife.
Boy, you there when me and Marie I run up and down and play football and marble. I'm a little cousin.
When married, when they depend on your need, they say you want to marry me, you go do all things for me.
No bother with that, man. No bother with that, man.
I'm a family.
Marry now, give me no D. Every minute, I'm tired. When
Me and you get 5 years now. You get 5 years with a D. So I'm going to get D for 2 weeks. So what? So what?
Dry your line, you know.
Baby, calm down. Calm down, man.
You always tell me if you calm down.
No, like I'm saying.
This is not be foolishness.
Stop that baby in front of
You don't understand.
Alright, no man, that be foolishness. Me I give him little time. Me gonna make him have little time for you. Me know when no man want service, they want service.
I'm not help tomorrow because mama complain.
Yeah,
So you see
man.
next year for tomorrow? Yeah, so tomorrow I must try rest up myself and I can get her what she want. And get her enough, that means say.
Give her a serve her.
I want it anytime me want it else, we are going to file for a divorce.
Alright, we not going to say it.
God, dog, this big on me.
So what I know? You're good
Really,
though?
man? Yeah, man. Yeah,
Alright.
man.
You have a party for me?
Yeah, man.
You have to call in here when I get there.
You can't believe it.
You should have started with the food.
Cook.
And where you gone? You done cook?
Yes.
Alright, some more beer and we eat something. Now come beer. Come here,
Me not gonna with your guns. Say it here.
Yeah, boy, you beat me
I
up
feel
though.
good in a bit.
You alright?
You don't feel good.
Yeah. Because we do it, much of us now since we jump asleep. A good amount of time now, because I feel say time later now.
What time?
I don't know. No. Make a one call. We've called some people about some business. But I get a text today now. I'll call my uncle because I think he's there and I don't know if I won't call. You alright though?
Yeah, me alright. I just gotta take some rest.
Go to the door. I'll make some call.
Alright, baby. I'm just gonna take some rest.
That solve it for a while. That must can solve it, right?
Don't stay too long though, because we might want second rounds.
You know, easy.
Yeah, no, you have that, right?
Yeah, easy.
Hurry up.
Alright, babe. You're just make me, somebody text me. What's it? I'm really hungry this year.
Hello, Stacy. What's up? Ashley, you know, some day here and where's the bingo party? What time? Yeah, man, me can definitely come, man. Me can come. Alright, me go get ready. Sound good.
Oh man, hey, I'm gonna get going, man, but I'm gonna send Marie to come to you so you can tell her the situation because I can't do it, man. I really can't.
Yeah, me do it, man. No herself, man. Just send her come and talk to her and tell her. She gonna take it hard to, you know. Come, yo, boy, rough. Rough. So what's he gonna do now?
Hey, I'm gonna go by the countryside, you know what I mean? Maybe smoke something or, you know, have another one of these bottles, you know what I mean? Or maybe go to the damn estate itself, you know. But because I'm gonna leave in like a week, you know, so I'm gonna enjoy myself, you know, check some family and all of this stuff. Because this is a depressing mode, but you know, it's what it is. I can't do anything about it, you know. It's not like I'm gonna blow my brains or something, you know.
Yo, that's going on with it, man.
So big up yourself, fireman.
Yeah, man.
All right, man.
How are you doing, babe?
You know, see, I run Stacy, me, I go play a bingo. I don't stay long and stuff. But, so when because of the other start talk about a while ago.
And I'm my cousin. It's my uncle. But,
Okay.
yeah, he come tell me some stories, say, him get some jacket, you know what I mean? So even marry, end up with jacket. So, it's a long story, but a family business, we fix that out, you know. So where you go though? Where say we go?
You remember me tell about my friend Stacy?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to a bingo party in the night. Yeah. So that me I go get dressed for go.
Alright, the one thing though. Do you not have the ring to your finger, you know? Not play with me, you know. I'm very jealous. You hear me?
You know what I mean? I do that. And you don't have to play with me, because you're going to have the whole house for yourself.
But me that me hard. Me don't do nowhere else. I can't do nothing in them house. I can't do nothing. Alright, go on date. Well, enjoy yourself though.
So I think I will sleep over. Because I think I'm too tired to drive tonight, you know.
You can't sleep over.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would.
No. I would that.
It's me.
Me who? Me a come, daddy, me a come.
Marie.
I'm coming, daddy.
Alright, no problem.
Daddy. Come.
Hey, Marie.
Hey, daddy.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Oh, you still using this stuff?
Sometime, now and then.
I could have, you know, bring a lot of these for you. You know what I mean?
Well, daddy, glad to see you come. Come and go sit down. Come.
Oh man. You see, I'm very proud of you because you know you hold up your head and you don't focus yourself on getting a boyfriend and all these things, and you know you're so focused on doing, you know what you need to do to be a wonderful young lady. I mean, I'm very proud of you.
Yes, daddy. I'm glad to see you come. Cause pack me a pack to go foreign because mommy give me enough things. Roast breadfruit, give me already and peely. A key in a fridge and freeze. Everything today I'm ready for go foreign. I may carry close to you, know, can they say they want some Jamaican shirt, they look good over there.
Marie, I have something to tell you.
What you have to tell me, daddy? You buy care over there ready for me?
No, sweetie, guess what? I want to just to tell you that, you know, I love you. But guess what? I want you to do me a favor. Could you go and check Fireman? Fireman, he has something to tell you. All right? So just go and check Fireman. I'm gonna just go and sort out some stuff because I got some stuff to deal with. Okay? So I hope you're okay.
Yes, daddy. Me go and hurry up and come back because me go foreign. Fire! Why me a call?
Come in. What one? My girl can play bingo. Wifey. You can't play bingo night tonight. Yeah, father said you have to come link me.
I send me to you, man.
My girl doesn't go and play. I can't play bingo.
So I go and hurry up and talk and want to pack figure foreign. Me a go foreign?
You know, say serious, come see USA for your chest.
Yeah.
So, oh, you see that you don't know in the family, you know. On the night, them so not going on the sun. Shops and go. Anyway, I prefer, you know, say you have the idea, say you go foreign, but sad. The sad part of it is that your mother, when in there, my uncle, which is no longer your father.
What you say? That be foolishness, yeah.
No, cuz. You're not my cousin really again. Because then do a DNA. See DNA there. I think you're going to show me a while ago. You have more copy of it. Say one file for you all on it. So your favorite one, he can't ever tell you. So he said, me fi tell you. You say he can't ever tell you. You don't know how to tell you.
Can't show this. Can't believe this. Can't believe. We are planning to go foreign.
Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
What you do? Why you rub me down for me and your family?
Me and no family. You know, see paper. See me and no family again.
But me and close all long years. What you do, brother?
No call me no brother. Me and you did almost cousin, but see that now we have two. You know what I mean? Me never look upon you in a certain way. Never look upon you no way like that, because me did cousin that the time there. But no. You know, you're a nice girl.
But we have family same way. We have family same way. Me take care of my cousin same way. Me can't do this, brother.
Yeah, that was then. You know what I mean? When you feel so we had the family. Me not saying it's sad times now, but me don't want you to be sad. Me don't want you happy. You know what I mean? Yeah, so no why you so sad, man. Look at you're long and nice and pretty. Stop crying now. Marie, stop crying. Stop crying, make you try now.
Stop the foolishness, no, don't want me to live up. You come cut, brother. Me think you're real. You're not real, brother.
Let's stop calling my brother, man. Marie, that's cool now. Let's not tell nobody here. Come back now. Me not tell you, not tell nobody what going on a while ago, you know. Me not tell nobody say a jacket need a here. Between me and you. Alright. Hold on. Come in. What a visitor for now.
Come to talk to you about something important.
If I the money thing, you know. Well, tomorrow I will clear them things they're on the bank and thing, and the money thing, you know. For tonight. Yeah, man. See how they different.
Oh, alright. When I spoke to you about your wife, didn't you saw when I was looking at you?
Yes, you have to look upon me, because if you talk to me, you can't look at bush, so they look upon you too.
Well.
What? Woman, give me a bun?
No, it's not that. You have a secret admirer.
What? Oh. That sound good. So what that entail though?
Well, I find you attractive, you know. You look very cute. I like the way you look. You look outstanding and you look like you're a spontaneous person. How can I get in touch with you for the both of us can go on a date? Because I really want to make this work.
Well, boy, I need to tell you. I know what you're saying. I get that a lot. A lot of females seem to attracted to me. But what I'm saying though, you see me right now, I can't take on one more journey. Right now, I'm tired and beat out. You know what I mean? Tired and beat out. I tell you, for mornings, I tell you, but one thing about it. 2 chang machines for a day. I don't think I can take a third one today. But we can't figure out something, man. We can't go somewhere at one at a time. Man.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, man. Take a seat, man.
Okay.
With manners, the man.
Thank you.
Sure.
Alright, listen me now. As far as I'm concerned, I can see that you don't have any time for your wife. And those time that you're wasting, I would really love to make up those time with you.
Well, alright, me have a piece of money for you. That we can't go back to that jam board because if me didn't know, you know, say money I would have cut down and everybody good.
Okay, Mr. D. maybe you take these things for a joke, and I am serious about getting into a serious relationship with you. And if you don't make up your mind to come and make this relationship work out between me and you, the money that you have for me, you have to give me everything one time with no jokes behind it.
You're serious, you know? You sound like you're serious. Don't worry yourself, man. Never pressure me so much, man. But, yeah, go do something then. If you want to do it, we do it. You know, problem with like, you're an attractive woman to yourself, said we and I are built and all of that. But because I tell you, say, I work 3 times from there already.
We don't have to do it now, you know. I just want to know that I'm going to get into a serious relationship with you. And if we are going to do that thing there, make sure you have a condom.
All the time, man. I use protection. Yeah, man. So, you can work, man. Because we have time and, you know, we have time. But it's like how she hire you now. You have all the reason why if you come check me. You know what I mean?
We
You
need
work.
to make a plan for a date.
Bro, we figure it out, man. Watch. Yeah, what baby?
Thanks.
You going baby?
No?
So what going on bingo?
Me lose, then jail me down.
Rough though. Okay, Yoga.
But I'm a friend.
That's a good one. Yes, dear.
Yeah.
You can't say we don't go lose.
Yeah, I lose, but the fact that I lose, I enjoy myself.
Alright. You know, so we start live like a loving couple though. Little one give a massage. Don't care about me give a for your belly. Give a massage. Give a back massage. Give most tense so I go down there and every time then say bingo. I have sweat there now bingo.
I can't sing again.
Look your back. That's your back. They don't want your belly.
Yes, I'm feeling don't come
I know, yeah, I said wrong, baby. Turn over and do that on your belly. I want to give you a back massage.
Baby,
Yeah.
don't play with me.
Yeah, that's they don't want your back.
Jaja. Tired.
I see that you're tired. Alright. I'll give you a back massage.
Wow, this sounds interesting.
So I'm gonna read. Alright. I'm gonna sing a song while I give you a back massage, right? If you can go now, go. Open the door.
So what kind of song that?
Is that new song I write?
I mean, I tell figure.
No man. It's a song, you know like a song. Listen to the rhyme and the melody, man. If you can go now, you go. Open the door. You like that song, my baby?
I love it.
If you wanna go now, go. Hurry up and open the door. Go. Open the door now, go now.
So what brought you back here so early?
Rich be rich. I need my money. Rich alive.
So you caught him in fornication?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Caught him.
Do you have any proof?
Yes, I do.
Okay. But listen, he can charge and file a complaint on me at the courthouse, and I won't want that. So I'm going to be calling him on the phone so he can come over, and then we show the proof and everything that is needed to be sorted out.
No problem.
Okay.
But in the meantime, can I get my money?
No, wait until he comes. When he comes, we sort this out. Okay?
Catch you at a lie.
Good afternoon, Mr. D. Is it possible you could come over to my house, please?
Who is this?
This is Miss Susie.
Oh, the lawyer.
Yes, I would like for you to come over to my house. Your wife is here telling me that you have committed fornication.
I like that.
Okay. Can you please come over to my house, please? We're here and we're waiting on you, okay?
Give me a good time. Come over there.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
Okay, just give him a few minutes. He'll be here. Okay.
Can I come in?
Yes, Mr. D, we've been waiting on you.
Well, 2 women 1 time is good to wait.
If I were you, I would be so happy.
Well, I come with a happy vibration. What do you mean if I know? This is looking interesting. Sandwich, how you doing this?
To my side, she doesn't want to be near you. She's saying that you committed fornication first.
No, we sleep in the same bed last night, so how come this? I never know that. How come that? What is fornication though?
You had sex first.
With
You
who?
cheated on her.
No, not like that.
She says that she has proof, so I told her to hold on until you're here. Then she shows me the proof. Can I see it, please?
What does it mean?
Sure.
Where proof there? I dig, you not try dig a proof. Oh, not try proof.
The proof is right here. Not to worry.
I don't mean that.
After
My house.
That's you. Why you never know, you know?
You're a Rasta, right?
The fine print. In the fine print, is it, what if somebody puts it in a drink? That not nice?
No, as long as you cheat.
What if I said this?
No. How did you get the proof?
How did you get the proof?
How did I get the proof? Now?
Yes.
I got the proof from this guy that I hired, apart from Candy. You never know that. Me now go tell you everything. How me go catch a red-handed if me tell you everything?
How we say I know?
I hired this private investigator.
And
apart from Candy. And he set up camera everywhere in the house. In the TV.
So every time we do something, it's a record?
Exactly.
So if when you do...
Even the day when Candy day in the house, when they talk about sing, boy, if you want to go, and me did I sing with you? Me know say you did have a woman in there. I knew.
Okay, so you were very reckless. Anywho,
let me get my money, yeah, woman.
Yes, that's what I'm going.
Dirty money, dirty money.
But
that's what I'm going to do.
I still love you.
I don't love you. I just need my money.
I still love you, though, baby.
Miss.
Muto.
Listen to me. Over here. I am here to collect my money, and that's what I need.
Baby.
Sign the papers.
Baby.
Because we do everything already in the documents.
It has already been filed to the courthouse.
So
So
let me get my money now, miss.
okay, no problem. I'm going to send
You
out
know
the
why you never find
transaction
this
down by the courthouse in which you can get all the information to his account, because it's the account that is on the line. So I guess that you lost.
Good.
Baby.
You lost a wife and you also lost your money.
Millions.
But baby, I still love you. What about love?
I don't want no love. I just need millions. Pass me the money, please.
She's hard-headed
Pass
against
me the
that,
money.
so
just the
I
final
guess you have lost
thing
your
here.
wife and you also lost your account.
Woman, why make you keep on a chat to this money? I know I said the day you did all
I think it's a setup. It's a setup. It's a foul play.
Yes, I'm going
It's
to
a
set.
setup.
As a matter of fact, let me. Here's your phone.
Gia, what should we get?
I would like for you to send me that video in which I could send to the
Alright.
courthouse.
I have internet right now.
Babe, let's reconsider. Yeah?
Reconsider.
Let's reconsider.
Reconsider your mouth.
Let's talk about money.
No.
What about love? What about joystick? You don't want a joystick again?
No.
You should have known that when you were
I lend it to
cheating.
some people, but I keep it for you.
Mr. D, I've
I don't
lost.
give it to nobody. I lend them it, but it's yours forever.
Even if she stays, you have lost. The money is automatically hers. So there's
of my
no
money I will share for
negotiation
a long
right
time.
here.
You got it?
Yeah, I got this. Okay.
So what about you?
The audacity.
Let me ask you a question.
Please, no. Get
You
out
see?
of my house.
You see it?
Alright. We talk on next time.
Dirty man. He's a dirty man.
Okay. You have gotten his account.
Yes.
access and everything. Just go down by the NCV to get the card. Okay? Yeah. Your name has been changed over.
So that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright,
Alright,
thank
darling.
you.
Alright, tell mommy hi for me.
Alright.
And see if we can go out, okay?
Will do.